Hey guys, I'm Dr. Bodie here in Nyack, New York. We get a lot of questions about teeth whitening, and today I'm going to answer some of the most common questions on that subject for you.
Dr. Bodie, what is tooth whitening?
So, teeth whitening is where we lighten the shade of the teeth. Once they've been stained, they become a little gray or yellow, and the whitening process reverses that, so it becomes more white again.
Does teeth whitening damage your teeth?
Teeth whitening does not damage the teeth. However, in very few cases, you can develop temporary sensitivity. Typically, once you stop using the whitening products, the sensitivity goes away.
How do dentists whiten teeth?
So dentists typically whiten teeth in one of two ways, either in office or you get a take-home tray. In office means you would be in the dental chair for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, depending on the product. UV light is placed over the bleaching product that's applied to the teeth, and in about an hour, 2 hours, you would have whiter teeth. Whereas take home, you would be given a tray. Actually, your Invisalign trays, if you have Invisalign, can also function as a whitening tray, and you would apply one tiny drop per tooth that you're trying to whiten. Just make sure you apply it on the surface that people see, meaning you want that drop to go on the part that's touching the outside of the tooth, not the inside.
Do LED teeth whitening lights work?
LED teeth lightening white LED teeth whitening lights are effective in some cases because some products do require that the bleaching product be activated and the light activates that product, but not all bleaching requires the LED to activate it. So it is possible to whiten without the light, but there are some products that you get a somewhat better result with that light.
What can go wrong with instant teeth whitening at home?
So instant teeth whitening at home, there are a few risks. Primarily, you do want to keep the bleaching product, the whitening product off the gums, because the gums actually will lighten also, and obviously they can become sensitive if that product is applied to it. That's basically the biggest risk.
Can dentists whiten teeth permanently?
Dentists cannot whiten teeth permanently. Staining will always come back if you're a heavy coffee drinker, wine drinker, or whatever was staining them in the first place. If you continue using those products, teeth will stain again. The good news is you can simply continue to whiten. So as the stains come back, you can whiten. You choose how much you have to whiten, how frequently. Obviously, if it's sensitive, you cut back. But yes, or I should say, but no, we cannot permanently whiten teeth. You just have to continue the process to keep them at the shade you desire.
Does teeth whitening have any side effects?
Uh, the main side effect of teeth whitening, and this is not for every patient, but again, some people do have sensitivity. The good news is if you develop sensitivity, you can simply stop the whitening process and that sensitivity goes away. The other side effect is when the whitening is effective, you tend to smile a lot more. So,
What does I'm sorry. Does teeth whitening cause tooth sensitivity? Sorry, Doc. Does
yes,
whitening cause tooth sensitivity?
teeth whitening can cause sensitivity, but again, it's in very few cases and it's reversed almost instantly once you stop using the product.
How can I best retain the results of a teeth whitening treatment?
To best retain the results of a teeth whitening treatment, you would have to continue whitening and also avoid the things that cause staining in the first place. I'm not telling you to not have coffee or not drink cranberry juice or wine or whatever. Just be aware as you use those things, staining will come back. So you might want to cut back on the amount or frequency that you consume them.
When can I schedule a teeth whitening appointment?
If you're an existing patient and we've already scanned you, we did a 3D scan, and you would like to whiten, just let us know. We can simply 3D print a whitening tray for you. Or if you're a new patient or we have not scanned you, just give us a call at 845-358-5110. Set up an appointment and we will scan you and have some whitening trays made for you to take home. So there are limits to teeth whitening in terms of how white it will get the teeth. It will not take you beyond what your natural lightest shade of the teeth ever were. It may get you back to that lightest shade. If you'd like a really light shade, like the celebrity smiles that you see, you would need to do either veneers or crowns, both of which are done in our office.